If you invested just $1 2,000 years ago at 8% compound interest, you'd have more money than exists on Earth today, $43 quintillion. That's the power of compound interest, and I'm showing you how to use it starting with $100. Welcome back to Wealth Decoded. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He said those who understand it earn it, those who don't pay it. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what compound interest is, how it makes ordinary people wealthy, and the exact strategy to start using it today. No complex math, just the truth. Let's decode this. Compound interest is simple. You earn interest on your money. Then you earn interest on the interest. Then you earn interest on that interest. It snowballs. Here's the difference. Simple interest. You invest $1,000 at 10%. Year 1, you make $100. Year 2, you make $100. Year 3, you make $100. Every year, same $100. After 10 years, you have $2,000 total. Compound interest, same $1,000 at 10%. Year 1, you make $100. Now you have $1,100. Year 2, you make $110 because you're earning on $1,100. Now you have $1,210. Year 3, you make $121. It keeps growing. After 10 years, you have $2,594. Same starting amount, same interest rate, but compound interest made you almost $600 more. That's the power. And it gets exponential the longer you wait. Let me show you how insane this gets. Example 1. You're 25 years old. You invest $200 per month at 10% return. You do this for 10 years, then stop. Never add another dollar. By age 65, you have $1.3 million. Your friend waits until age 35, invests the same $200 per month at 10%, but does it for 30 years instead of 10. By age 65, they have $490,000. You invested $24,000 total. They invested $72,000. You have almost 3 times more money. Why? You started 10 years earlier. Those first 10 years of compound growth did all the work. Example 2. 1 penny doubled every day for 30 days. Day 1, you have 1 cent. Day 2, 2 cents. Day 3, 4 cents. Boring, right? Day 10, you have $5. Day 20, $5,000. Day 30, $5,368,000 from 1 penny in 30 days. That's compound interest. Slow at first, then it explodes. Most people quit during the slow part. Don't be most people. Here's a trick to calculate compound interest in your head. The rule of 72. Divide 72 by your interest rate. That tells you how many years it takes to double your money. 8% interest? 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years. Your money doubles every 9 years. 10% interest? 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2 years. Doubles every 7 years. This is why starting early matters. If you're 25 and invest $10,000 at 8%, it doubles to $20,000 by 34. Doubles again to $40,000 by 43, doubles to $80,000 by 52, doubles to $160,000 by 61. You never added another dollar. Just let it compound. If you wait until 35 to start, you only get 3 doublings instead of 4. That's half the money. 1 decade of waiting cost you $80,000. So how do you actually use compound interest? 3 steps. Step 1. Start now, not next year, not when you have more money. Today. Even if it's $50, time is more valuable than amount. Step 2. Invest in assets that compound. Index funds like S&P 500 real estate, dividend stocks. These grow and pay you while growing. Savings accounts at 0.5% don't count. You need 7 to 10% minimum to see real compound growth. Step 3. Reinvest everything. Don't withdraw profits. Don't spend dividends. Let it all compound. Every dollar you pull out is a dollar that can't multiply. Automate this. Set up automatic investing. $200 per month goes straight from your paycheck to your brokerage. You never see it, never miss it, never spend it. 30 years later, you're a millionaire. The biggest mistake? Waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The market will crash. Life will get expensive. You'll want to spend money. Start anyway. Compound interest rewards consistency, not perfection. Here's what they don't tell you. Compound interest works both ways. Credit card debt at 20% interest? That compounds against you. You owe $1,000. Don't pay it. Next month, you owe $1,200. Next month, 1,440. It snowballs just like investments, but in reverse. Car loans, student loans, any debt compounds against you. This is why rich people avoid debt and poor people drown in it. Rich people make compound interest work for them. Poor people pay compound interest to banks. Pay off high-interest debt first, then start investing. You can't out-invest 20% credit card interest with 10% stock returns. Kill the debt, then build wealth. So here's your action plan. Step 1. Open a brokerage account today. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. Takes 10 minutes. Step 2. Set up automatic investing. $50, $100, whatever you can afford. Make it automatic. Step 3. Buy index funds, S&P 500. Let it compound for decades. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Every day you wait costs you thousands in future wealth. If this opened your eyes, subscribe and hit the bell. Comment how much you're investing this month, even if it's $20. I'll reply to every single one. Compound interest is the difference between working until you die and retiring wealthy. Choose wisely. See you in the next one. Stay wealthy.